Hello guys, do you hear the sound? Yeah, you are correct. It is Airbus A390. I am going to review it. Oh guys, are you ready? Hey, okay, let's review it. This is Airbus A390, which has 4 engine. There is two, and beside it also there is 2 engine. It is really a cool Airbus. Oh, it's really nice, man. You can see that full bus. Yeah. Oh, nice looking. Oh wow. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And if you wanna see what is inside the Airbus, and I will open it for you guys. Okay, subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Okay guys, bye bye.